welcome to our channel, Ma and me. Hi, and we are back with yet another vlog. So in today's video, I'm going to show y'all, it's going to be a try-on haul, and I'm going to show y'all some of the things I had picked up when I had gone to Westside. Mainly it's sportswear. So yeah, so I'm going to try it on, I'm going to show y'all, and I hope you guys like it. So stay tuned for that. Very comfortable. It's like this teal color, and it's got a matching pant. I love this white trim which it has over here. It has some writing. There's a trim over here which is really nice, and the fit is very nice. The color is lovely. This teal color is really very nice. So this is the first outfit I picked up, and as I saw it, I don't have anything in this teal color. The minute I saw it, I fell in love with this color. There was something about this. It has some writing over here and some drawing, and it's like that. It's got two pockets, very comfortable, and it's nice to just go casually to the mall, or if you go for a morning walk or the gym, which I tend to skip most of the time. So this is the first outfit. Very comfortable. It has elastic. It has this drawstring over here, and yeah, it's super comfortable. Something about this color I just love. And these pockets, oh god, I love these joggers which have pockets in them, because I've always got something which I need to put my mobile or my earpods or something or the other. So that's nice. So that's the first outfit. Now I'll be back. This is outfit number 2. So this is a very nice biscuity, casual, very thin, comfortable top. It's got this holographic writing over here, written over here, away. The pant is very nice. The joggers, it's got like elastic at the ends. It's got these cargo pockets, and it's got elastic. It's got a little band over here as well to tighten it. And one good thing about this is you got a hoodie also. Along with classy, comfortable, this will also keep you a little warm. So nice for weather, which is going to take place in the next 10 to 15 days. So yeah, love it. I just love this color, and there's something about biscuity tones. It makes you look very nice, and this holographic print over here is bomb. And I love how comfortable these are, and the pockets are just wow. A jogger with pockets is really good. So yeah, so that's the thing with this hoodie. And yeah, so this is outfit number 2. I hope you all guys like it. Now I'll be back with outfit number 3. And this is outfit number 3. So this is nice. It's not full length. It's like 3/4, like these capri kind, and the pockets are a little different. So it has 2 pockets, but the stitching of the pockets look like it's done from the outside, which is damn cool. And I like the words. It's like this grey color and it's got this shiny silvery stuff going on in the middle, and it says own it. So you got to own your own style. That's what it means. It's so comfortable. It's like twisted and like as if you've given it one fold and stitched. It looks so nice. They have this little detailing about these things from Westside, which I think they're so cool and nice. Just see this. These 3/4 pants are damn cool, and the detailing of this pocket is really nice. It's something a little different. So this completes outfit number 3. So now I'll be back with outfit number 4. So this is, I wouldn't say outfit number 4, but this is top number 4. So basically the joggers are the same as the previous one, and this is damn cool. It's got epic written on it. It's this beautiful baby pink with grey and white writing, and yeah, comfortable, soft. I like the fit. The fit is really nice also. The length is, it's a little on the cropped version, but it's very nice. Apart from having a very pretty color and being super comfortable, there's also a third purpose which is very nice with this top, and that is yoo-hoo. So keep yourself warm as well. Perfect for the weather which is going to come in the next few days. I just love it. That's the added feature of this top. I really like it. What say? Do you all like it? Let me know in the comments box which one you all like the best. I just love this. Yoo-hoo. I always like the color pink and grey. It's a nice combo. This is outfit number 5. So basically they're typical your track pants, 2 pockets. It's got some writing down here on the left hand side. Looks nice and classy. You can wear this with your jeans, you can wear it with track pants, you can wear it whatever you like. So I love this grey top. It's got buttons, so you can button this whole thing up. That's one style. Or you can wear something underneath and leave it open like this. The holographic writing over here is damn cool and sexy. It's got it on both sides. And the best part about this top is the hoodie and the 2 pockets. So if you feel a little cold, it's perfect for the weather which we are going to experience in the next week or 10 days. So yeah, so this is outfit number 5. Stay tuned for outfit number 6. So this is technically top number 6. So this has got long sleeves. It's like a blue color. It's got this holographic writing over here which says high maintenance, which is also very true. And apart from that, here again you have your hoodie. As I said, perfect for the weather which is going to come in the next few days, weeks. So yes, that's there. And it's a little bit of a crop top. So maybe if you wear some high-waisted pants, or if you have a sexy figure to show, then why not? But yeah, very comfortable. Nice, soft, thin material. I love the color. I love the holographic print over here. And I love the thought of the hoodie. So that completes top number 6. Now I will be back with top number 7. So I'm back with top number 7. It's a beautiful lime green, and it says over here no complaints, which is true. West Side stuff, no complaints about that. And it's got 2 pockets, very stylish. It's got short sleeves with a little elastic over here. Very comfortable, a little on the loose side, which I like. I love the color, this lime green color. I like this color so much that I picked up one more top with the same color. I'll just show you. And this is top number 8. There again, it's lime green. I liked it so much. It says expect nothing. It's got this silvery square thing in between, and it says expect nothing. I like the detailing which they have on the sleeves, like it's folded with a stitch on it. So that's really nice. Comfortable, a little on the loose side. And yeah, so this is the last top which I got from Westside. I am very happy with all my clothes from Westside, and yeah, so that was it for the haul today. So I'll be back very soon with another haul video. So till then, bye. Do subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up if you like our video. Till the next video. Bye.